So basically I was reminded of the braid at the end of this video and thought, hey, wouldn't it be pretty cool if I made this braid not just in pitch space, but in actual space? Or at least in perceived aural space. Anyway, here's how the symmetry in the original one went. The whole braid is made out of this little 6-note motif that kind of has the shape of one braid curve. An actual braid drawing has glide reflection symmetry. If you can draw just one curve, then flip it and draw it again a little way down the line of glide reflection, you can draw an entire braid, and I did that exact same thing with music. 6 notes, flip, move forward. Then do that exact same thing again and again and again until you have an infinitely repeating pattern, a freeze pattern. And of course, if you want to give your braid thickness, you can just translate a copy of it 2 notes up, and then you get this thing with harmony. And then I added on top of that a 2-strand twist, because why not? Plus it's fun that it's also a freeze pattern, although a different one, with 180-degree rotations, which are great and all, but I'm into the glide reflections. Plus, the orbifold of a braid is a Mobius strip, so it's obviously got an edge. And you can mirror the whole thing the other way, across a vertical mirror, and that gives you the same notes but in reverse, which is what happens here. Alright, so as far as math is concerned, this braid is just a 6-note motif that glide reflects. But to represent an actual braid, what we really want is 3 strands, which each repeat the motif and its inversion. That's what I did for doodle music. Recorded 1 strand, and then layered 3 copies of the same exact footage. Well, same besides that I tinted each copy a different color. And for a sound braid,